Whether brought to a picnic or served on a holiday buffet, this green bean salad is scrumptious, and it's adapted from an early Julia Child cookbook. Start by bringing a large pot of salted water to a boil, either in a Dutch oven or a large saucepan. Okay, in go the beans. You want to cook the green beans off ahead of time. So I usually set a timer for 8 minutes. Meantime, let's get the vinaigrette going and the red onions. I've got a little salt in this bowl. I want to use my microplane to get off about half of the zest of a lemon. I'm using a Meyer lemon today. And then I want about a tablespoon of juice. I want about a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. And look, my jar is almost empty. So what I'm going to do is just make a vinaigrette right in here, put it in my refrigerator for later. So oil and vinegar go in here and some nice spices and salt and pepper into the fridge. We want to add a small garlic clove that's finely minced. In it goes. I'm just going to mix that together, make sure that my salt is dissolved. Extra virgin olive oil. Nice and fruity. Drizzle it in. Red onion. Now I think in Julia's day, red onions were much smaller than they are now. She called for 2 thinly sliced. And I'm just going to use 1 because I think that's just about right. Now these would get tossed like this and covered and put in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. Once the beans are cooled, I just wrap them in a clean kitchen towel and put them in the fridge for up to 2 days. Here are the beans that I did earlier, and they are nice and chilled and perfectly cooked, and I'm going to give them a good toss. So now I've got some mixed baby greens. Julia used watercress, and on they go. Right on top. These are mixed varieties of cherry tomatoes. And now the vinaigrette over the top to make those tomatoes taste delicious. A little kosher salt on the top. And some freshly ground black pepper. The best green bean salad you can imagine.